Hello, I'm just coming on live here so that I can, after I've had my shower, I washed my hair with the pharmacy shampoo, and I think it came out pretty good. It definitely looks better than it did earlier. It definitely looks lighter and it's definitely soft. So we'll see how it goes on the long term. I went to and we went, took a shower there and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do right now is I am going to do my makeup, and I took the wrong thing out, so I'm going to get my age reversant cream first. And some of the products that I have are things that I already had. Some of them are I'm going to be using what I got new. I did use my Norwex. I have like a body cloth that washes the face really well, and I haven't used it in a while, and it works really well. So I'm really happy about that. Just cleans everything all up. So now I am going to use this age reversant cream, and I am just going to put a little bit all around, and just, oh, so soft. Now, I have classes tonight. The reason I wanted to do it right now is because um, I working for VIPKid, I get up really early in the morning, so trying to do a facial before school is really kind of hard. And it's Saturday, it's freezing outside right now. We did go to the gym, so I got my steps in, got my shower, ate my supper, and I do have classes tonight. So I will be, putting on makeup will be good. Actually, I only have two classes tonight. I'm taking a little bit of a break. I only accepted my priority booking for tonight because I just really needed a break. Right now in China, the kids are home because they have the coronavirus going around, and so they are opening more classes. So I've been doing 2 to 3 every single morning. I'm at school all day, and then I do 1 or 2 at night, and it's just because the classes don't start. I've been doing like a 9 p.m. class, so it's kind of late, and then with all my other stuff, it just is a long day. So I'm taking a little bit of a break. So I only have 2 classes starting at 8 tonight. So here's my primer. So the primer is a really cool substance. It's very clear, and it kind of just, you just want to use a little dab all over, and it kind of gives you so that your foundation or whatever you're putting on after that has a good base. And in the directions, it says to go ahead and let it dry. Like once you put it on, you want to kind of let it dry before you're going to put anything else. Now, I only used a little bit, and it is amazing what is in. Now, this makeup is called Famasi, okay? And I will link my daughter Julie's website, and it is an online company, and it is very high quality makeup for lower prices. And the thing I like about it is I'm in need of makeup anyway, and instead of going to the store and trying to figure out what I need to get and then buying something that I don't like, I can go ahead and look at the book, talk to Julie, she can recommend something, and then it's delivered right to my door. So I just think that that is a really cool way to do it, and I feel like I'm getting better makeup, and I'm getting personalized help with the makeup as well, and it just is a really good situation. So the next step I'm going to do is the concealer, and this comes like this. I think they have a new one now that is like a stick. I'm not sure. I think I saw something like that. It's a little different for me to do with the computer because I'm kind of backwards. So I'm gonna look at this mirror. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of put it on. I have some age spots, and I'm just gonna kind of put it where I want a little extra coverage. and then I'm gonna kind of rub that in. So it just kind of doesn't make everything disappear, but it definitely helps to give it a little extra coverage where I need it, where I want it. You know, do we really need makeup? Maybe not. A lot of people don't want to wear makeup, and I don't really feel like I wear a lot of makeup, but I do like to look my best, and if I can step it up a little, I like to. And when I was younger, I might have not worn hardly any makeup at all, but now I have a little bit of reasons why I want to add a little bit of makeup. And it just kind of makes me feel better. For VIPKid, it is not required that you would have makeup, obviously. It's your decision what you want to do, how you want to do it. And when I see people without makeup, it doesn't bother me when they have that choice, but I just like to make a choice for myself. So, okay, so that's the what is it called? Color Control CC cream. So that's for the just kind of an even look. And then the next step is going to be my eyeliner. Now, this is the eyeliner that I normally use, and I may end up trying something with my eyebrows, but I've done my eyebrows before, and if I make them too dark, I really don't like it. It just makes me look really, I'm not comfortable with really dark eyebrows. This is cool. This is a new thing that I got because Julie kind of recommended it. So I'm going to be trying this for the first time. It's more like a paintbrush. Oh, cool. Okay. Okay. I do like a little bit of eyeliner. I feel like when my eyes look defined a little bit, it's better for the camera. Okay, that one was a little harder to do. But this is my first time, and I'm not an artist. But that was pretty cool. That's like a little paintbrush thing. Okay, so I'll be trying that again. What I normally have used is more like a pencil, and it goes in and out. This is like LA Colors, probably from the dollar store. And the thing about the pharmacy makeup is that it is free of all the junk, the bad stuff that can be in makeup. And if you want to look at the specs, you know, in the book or talk to Julie, she can tell you what all that means. So what I like to do is a little bit of eyeshadow. This is a light color, kind of like a purplish color. Pretty. Usually I'll do like a light color on the eyelid and then maybe more of a defining color, a darker color around the side. So I also have a trio. I'm not sure where it is at the moment. So I have a trio that is a pharmacy trio, but I can't find it. So I'm going to go with this darker color purple, which will be on the outside and the top. Now, I can't really see when I'm in my class. I don't really see a lot of color on my eyes, but it just kind of brings out a little bit of color when you're in the class for the camera. Do the kids care? Probably not. But I care because whenever we, every 2 weeks, the company makes a video and it just takes snippets from our classes and they put it into a moments video. So I kind of like it if I look okay in those moments videos because I might want to share it with my friends. I don't know. I don't know if the parents actually see it. So this is my mascara and this is the 3D. So I'm gonna I am actually standing right now because I like to stand when I teach. I do have a stool behind me, but in order for me to switch to a sitting desk, I have to move a few things around. So I'm just gonna stand. So that's it, guys. Now I used the I don't know, I don't have the shampoo with me. It's a garlic and something or other shampoo. And you do the shampoo, then you do like a hair mask thing, and I air dried. I air dried my hair. And then all I did right before this video was I took about 2 minutes and I curled the top part right here a little bit, kind of give it a little bit of a curl right like that. And then I curled just a tad on the sides, and the rest of this is natural curl. And if you saw my last video, my hair definitely looks better. So that's it. It is not a lot of makeup, and like I said, it's very inexpensive. It includes the age reversant face cream. There's a whole line of like a face wash and different things like that that goes along with it. Now, if I want to, I also can add this little final touch, which would give me a little bit of definition in the cheeks. And there are lots of videos on YouTube about pharmacy makeup. And the best thing is that it's free of all of the chemicals that are bad for you. It's really good prices. You can have a personal consultant. You can get help from my daughter Julie to figure out what you want to order, and you just pay her through PayPal or whatever arrangement that you make, and then it's shipped to your door. Like I ordered this a couple days ago and it shipped to my door yesterday. So I really like that part about it. You don't have to go to the sea of stuff at CVS or Walmart, Walgreens, whatever, and buy stuff that might not work very well. And there is a guarantee, so if there's something that you don't like, you can also send it back. So I just want to mention too that the brushes that I used are also pharmacy. And I had a party for Julie, so she gave me some credit for a few things. So some of the stuff Julie credited me on my account, so for doing a party. So you can also do a party for Julie, and if people buy stuff, then you can get a credit. You can also join the company for $20, and then you can buy everything for half off. So that's a really good deal too. She's had a few people that have done that have signed up. My first party, she had, I don't know, 3 or 4 people that signed up. And so if that's a thing that you want to do, you can look into that. You can look at the book. You can go on YouTube, watch some videos, see what you think, and send me a message if you're interested. I have sold a lot of stuff online. I've done MLMs and stuff like that, and I'm just not really ready to jump into it myself. So I figured if I can have a couple parties for Julie, make some YouTube videos, I'm just kind of doing it for the fun of it, and if I get credit for makeup, great. If I don't, I just really like the makeup. So I just want to throw that out there, and let me know if you're interested, and I hope I'll see you around.